Most people believe time is their main constraint. Not enough hours. Not enough focus. Not enough space to think. Operators don't see time that way. They don't try to manage time more efficiently. They change how time produces results. This video explains how operators think about time differently, why hours alone don't determine outcomes, and how leverage reshapes the relationship between effort and results. Time feels scarce when attention is fragmented. Interruptions. Context switching. Reactive demands. The calendar fills, but progress stays flat. The problem isn't the number of hours, it's how those hours are structured. Efficiency optimizes existing work. It doesn't question whether the work matters. You can become extremely efficient at producing low-impact output. Operators recognize this early. They optimize direction before optimizing speed. Operators treat time as an input, not a limit. They ask, what does this hour create next? What future effort does it remove? What decisions does it simplify? If time doesn't change the system, it's not leveraged. An uninterrupted hour can outperform 10 fragmented ones. Attention compounds differently than time. Clear attention produces better judgment, fewer reversals, more durable outcomes. Operators protect attention aggressively. Most wasted time isn't in execution, it's in poor problem selection. Unclear priorities, repeated decisions. Fixing these reduces time spent automatically. Operators invest early to save later. Long hours feel productive because they delay evaluation. As long as you're working, you don't have to ask whether the work is correct. Operators evaluate earlier. They trade comfort for clarity. Good judgment compresses time. Fewer false starts, fewer corrections, fewer reversals. Each decision improves the next. Time expands in effect without increasing in duration. Slack looks inefficient. Unused time, open space, unscheduled blocks. But Slack absorbs uncertainty. It prevents emergencies from turning into crises. Operators design for this intentionally. Availability consumes attention. It fragments thinking. It delays deep work. It reduces decision quality. Operators limit availability to preserve leverage. Tracking time measures activity. It doesn't measure impact. Two identical schedules can produce very different outcomes. Operators track results, not minutes. The shift isn't working fewer hours. It's working on problems that make future hours more valuable. Time becomes a multiplier instead of a constraint. Operators protect attention, decision, quality, direction. Time supports these, it doesn't replace them. Time isn't the constraint. How time is used, and what it produces next, is. Operators don't chase hours. They build leverage.